Chapter 10, question 82. So, a student investigated chloride of period 3 elements, and then he wrote down his observation. Chloride of period 3, if you look at the answers, there are 4 options. One is, at least one of the recorded observation is incorrect. We don't look at this one first. B, we have magnesium chloride, because they ask you to deduce from this record which is the chloride, or the observation is wrong. Then we have magnesium chloride, we have phosphorus chloride, and also we have sodium chloride. Now let's look at the observations now. The compound was a white crystalline solid. All these three, they are white solid. So this statement is correct for all these three chlorides. Then look at the second statement. It dissolved easily in water to give a solution of pH 12. Now let's look at the table that I gave you before. We have sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, and PCl5. Sodium chloride dissolved in water to give you a neutral solution, pH 7. Magnesium chloride, pH 6.5, slightly acidic. PCl5 is an acidic solution, so pH 2. So, you see, if we have this pH 7, this one 6.5, okay, and this is 2. So, this second statement about solution of pH 12 is not correct for any of the chloride. So, the second one is wrong. Then the third one, when placed in a test tube and heated in a roaring Bunsen burner, the compound melted after several minutes heating. Now, ionic compound has very high melting point. There's no way that you can melt them by just using Bunsen burner. Okay, so the last observation is not true for magnesium chloride, which is an ionic compound, and not correct for sodium chloride, which is another ionic compound. So it only could be correct for PCl5, but PCl5 does not dissolve in water to give a solution of pH 12. It should be pH 2. So this observation actually cannot help you to deduce which chloride is it. So the answer is A, because we realize that this is wrong for any of the chloride in the answer. So the answer should be A.